Surat is proving to be city of many firsts. Not so long ago, it was Diwali time, and Surat was preparing to celebrate the festival of lights amidst great enthusiasm and fanfare. This is when the story of Savji Bhai Dholakia hit the headlines both nationally and internationally. This diamond merchant gave 491 employees cars and jewelry as bonus. This time again, a Surat businessman is making a record by getting 111 foster daughters married in a lavish manner. A report from Diamond City, Surat. Personal loss or tragedy sometimes teaches one lessons and is reason or impetus enough to ensure that one follows a path to transform other lives. Such is the case with Mahesh Savani. 4 years back, the brother of Mahesh passed away, leaving behind 2 grown-up daughters. He took the initiative to get them married and did the Kanyadan himself. He learned from this experience what girls go through when a father is not around during marriage. He started a noble cause of turning father to those who did not have one and helped them getting married. Mahesh, popular as Mahesh Papa, has touched many lives, but this time he got 111 foster daughters married.
शादी सबसे अच्छी होती है, इसलिए महेश पप्पा जो है वो फादर है, इसलिए हम सब लड़कियां पप्पा कह के बुलाते हैं और ये 111 ही लड़के और आगे कुल टोटल होके 235 लड़के होते हैं और सबके नसीबदार में पापा अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छे पापा है, इसलिए मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ.
All girls who were married in a grand ceremony hail from humble backgrounds and have lost their fathers. He not only organized the marriage of 111 girls, but he also helped in the nikah of 3 Muslim girls. The tradition has been on since 2007. He has been responsible for the marriage of 251 underprivileged girls so far. He also gifted gold and silver ornaments, besides household articles worth rupees 3 to 4 lakh to each of the girls.
मैं ऐसा ही महसूस करता हूँ कि ये जो मैरिज हो रहा है ना बाप बेटी का, वो अच्छी तरह से होना चाहिए और सभी देश में ऐसा ही प्रोग्राम शुरू करें.
Savani, whose grandfather had come to Surat with rupees 70, says this is the way of giving back to society. The mass marriage was organized in a school compound in Abrama area of Surat.
और दूसरा समाज को एक जिसका पापा नहीं होता है उसको सभी लोग अपने हिसाब से जो भी कुछ होता है वो हिसाब से उसको सपोर्ट करें. मेरे भाई कि जिसकी शादी के पहले जिसकी 2 बेटी की शादी के पहले 4 दिन पहले उसका डेथ हुआ, तभी मैंने पहला 2 कन्यादान किया और उसके बाद में मैंने ये देखा कि नहीं, जिसका अगर किसी का पापा ही नहीं है तो उसकी क्या हालत होती होगी. तो तभी से मैंने एक कन्यादान करने का कि जिसका पापा नहीं है उसका कन्यादान करना, ऐसा मैंने सोचा.
Powered by NNIS.